Today we will learn how to generate the auto serial numbers in Excel. So there is a employee details and now we need to generate the year serial numbers. First we will see basic and using the row functions how we can generate and using autofill, and finally I will show you to the how to generate the dynamically serial numbers. It means what? Whenever I am typing that down, there automatically the number serial number should populated here. So now let me do practically once like a basic one, and we will go for further steps. First we need to give 1 2 year, then if you press in the corner double click, see automatically the serial number will come. Now let me delete this one. Now using row functions also we can generate the serial numbers. These row functions what will do, this is one row number, right? 3, so it will give the 3. So now we need to use some techniques over here. Now we can see if use the row function and open parenthesis close parenthesis, just hit enter. Now we can see the row number 3. So now what we need to do, there are two numbers on top, right? We need to minus that. Once you minus that, here it will show 1. It will give the first serial number. Just double click on the edge. Now we can see automatically the serial numbers populated. And now we will see how to generate the serial numbers using autofill. Here first press 1, then double click in the corner. Now we can see automatically the numbers are generated only 1. Now we want to see the serial numbers, means like serial number wise there is an option. Just click over their icon. On the down we can see there is a copy cell. After down you can see fill series. Just click that one. Once you click that, automatically the serial numbers populated. It is automatically generated and it is giving the output. Now we will see the how to create the dynamically serial numbers. So here we need to use two functions. One is sequence as well as counter. These two functions once I use, automatically it will generate the serial numbers. Now first I need to use sequence over here. Sequence. Then I have to use counter. This counter function, what it will do, whatever you are giving the year, the data is there, that much value it will give. So accordingly that sequence formula it will bring to you the serial numbers. Now here it is asking the values counter. Let me select the this data from top to enter bottom. Let me close the bracket. Let me then again I need to press come over here. Let me close the bracket. Just I'm hitting enter. Now we can see automatically serial number generated. When I'm deleting something over, let me delete this row. Once I delete this row, see automatically serial numbers are reducing, even though that is also it is there in the sequence order only. And something if I give the again some data over and the down, just I'm typing your data. Now we can see automatically serial numbers are getting updated. I'm not doing anything manually. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share it, like it.